Okay, so hi guys, it's Abby and Marley. Today we will be playing with a bunch of different slimes, as in 6. Marley will be coming out in a second here, and so yeah. Okay, let me put the camera somewhere else so that I can be holding it the whole time while we play with the slime. So yeah. Okay, so here Marley is, and let's see. Slime. The first slime we are going to be touching and playing with this is a very mini slime. Push that open. It's really weird. It looks so glittery. Yeah, because I added a whole bunch of glitter. And I am the one who made all these slimes, so... And it's so fun to just poke around with slime. I've never really made slime. Well, she has. It just never worked. Yeah. This is just so fun, like I said, but it smells really disgusting. It's so strong too. Yeah, I added nail polish. Alright, so let's get on to the next slime. Alrighty, so sorry guys, it's not the next slime, it's her playing with it. So, she put rubber bands in here. Yeah, just to make it have a better texture. I was just about to say that. Sorry. It seems like crunchy or something. It's really fun to play with. Okay, so yeah. Alright, let's get on to our next slime. Put it back in the container. It does get a lot of glitter on your hands. Yeah. Okay, so this slime is I am so sorry about that. The next slime is another mini slime, but this one is way less stinky. Yes. And it's way more pretty. So you guys just sit back, and this one has no rubber bands in it. You might find some rubber bands in there. You can see that, but it's okay. There's only a couple in there. It's way hard. It's way easier to stretch. Take them out whenever it's a mini slime. So I don't really know why I added a whole bunch of rubber bands to my slimes. But I mean, it just gives a good texture. And I call this one the bubblegum slime. It's definitely not made out of bubblegum. Here's a couple rubber bands. But it gets your hands so sparkly. If you can see that, you need to be in there it is. But there's way more glitter. Yeah. And it stretches so much so much better without the rubber bands. But there's a nice DIY trick that you can do with rubber bands when you're adding them into slime. Just put a bunch of rubber bands in like a container and then cut them all up. And it looks like sprinkles. Depending on what color, it can look like rainbow sprinkles or even chocolate sprinkles. And it's so fun. That's what I did with all of this slime. But, so yeah. And guys, we're doing this on a carpet floor, so I really don't recommend doing this on a carpet floor. So now let's let her play with it.
This is kind of slippery.
Yeah, because there's no rubber bands. So are you going to talk?
No.
Alrighty then. Let's get on to the next slime. Okay, so this one is like kind of sticky.
Sticky.
So let's get it out of the container.
After this one.
See how sticky that is?
It's not mini slime anymore.
Yeah, and she's probably not going to play with this one because of how sticky it is. And it's really hard to handle. Like, it's even hard for me. And, oh my god.
Oh no.
It just fell on my dress.
Oh no.
It's fine. I brought a lot of other outfits. But this is a huge waste of slime and a huge waste of clothing. That's exactly what I did not want to happen, and that's why I'm not going to let her handle it. No offense. It's just that I've never seen this not stick on somebody's clothing. Not many of my friends want to play with this slime because of how sticky it is. So that's not good at all. And this is my favorite dress.
Oh no. Let me get the rubber band out of there.
But it'll come out. It'll just stain your clothing, which is the problem. That's what I don't like about it. And if you guys saw something under my dress, don't worry, I'm wearing shorts.
Yeah.
Those are just white shorts. They look like white underwear. But let me get a little change of clothing on right now.
Our fancy oven.
As you can see, I got a whole new change of clothes on. Mwah! 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 Okay, so we are about to go in a very dark place. Sorry about this. We'll make it lighter in a minute here. It's getting lighter and lighter. Oh, and we'll edit it and change the brightness. Right now she's turning on a lamp.
Which is pretty bright.
Alright, so I'll meet you when there's actually light. Guys, this is a little better. Let's see here. Yeah, it's a little better. Now we just gotta find... There.
My room
Stay. It's gonna fall. Okay.
Sorry.
It's not gonna fall.
Sorry if the camera
Alrighty.
falls.
Yeah, if the camera does fall, we're screwed. Okay, so here's our second last slime. This one is also pretty sticky. I do need to activate these, but it's definitely not as sticky as the other one. Because look.
Will I get to play with it?
Maybe. Look. Doesn't even stick at all. So, glad I'm wearing a type of clothing that the slime won't stick to. I love this slime so much. It's one of my favorites. Well, it's not even one of them. It's my one favorite. Oh god, I almost just got a cut in my hair. That'd be worse.
Yeah. Because you can't change your hair. Unless you dye it, but that wouldn't make a change.
Yeah, it would. It would dye it.
It's a turd. A purple turd.
It's not purple, it's pink. It's very glittery. See, it's not purple. I mean, the lighting might make it look purple, but it's pink.
It's magenta.
Okay. So, yeah, here's that one.
What does it smell like?
It smells like nail polish.
Oh.
So, alrighty. So, here's the last one, you guys.
Sorry if the video is kind of short, just... Oh, yeah.
This one is a giant slime. And this one is not sticky at all. It has something wet all over it. It's really disgusting. Wow.
It looks like underwear in that shape.
It feels so weird.
Will it stick to your clothing? Oh, there's so many rubber bands in it if you split it all up.
Yeah, look.
Look.
Like, you might not have been able to see them.
Look. This is all rubber bands.
No, it isn't. It's slime.
Well, but like all of that color.
Okay. And this used to be pink. But now it's not because of how much glitter I added in and how many rubber bands I added in. Which is surprising with the rubber band part. I added in the rubber bands first, and then it turned gray. It's really weird.
Purplish gray. Wait, what? There's a bead in here?
Yeah, of course. I added a whole bunch of beads.
Oh.
So, yeah. Looks like a brain whenever you crumple it up.
Yeah.
So, we have the compost slime, which was the first one we showed you. The bubblegum slime, the second one we showed you. the third one we showed you, the one that sticks onto everything slime, and my favorite slime, the fourth one, and the last one. You guys should just comment down below what you think this one should be called. And comment down below what type of slime is your favorite. This is all glue and borax. That's all that's in here, other than, of course, water. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. In the next video, we will be doing 100 layers of lip gloss, and in the next video after that, we're going to be making slime. So yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and so yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.